When choosing new windows for your Washington home, comfort and security are often top priorities. You want fresh air and natural light, but you also want peace of mind. Awning Windows offer a smart solution that balances both. With their unique top-hinged design and modern locking systems, Awning Windows enhance indoor comfort while maintaining strong security. Here's how they deliver the best of both worlds for Washington homeowners. Designed for controlled ventilation, awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom. This design allows you to let fresh air in while maintaining protection from the elements. In Washington's varied climate, from humid summer days to cooler rainy periods, awning windows allow ventilation even during light rain. Because the glass angles outward, it helps deflect water away from the opening. This means you can improve airflow without worrying about sudden weather changes. Secure ventilation. Even when open, one of the biggest concerns homeowners have about open windows is security. Awning Windows address this with their outward opening design and narrow opening gap. When partially open, awning windows create a small, angled space that is difficult to access from the outside. The placement higher on walls in kitchens, bathrooms, or basements also makes them less accessible than larger, lower windows. This allows you to enjoy ventilation without significantly increasing vulnerability. Strong locking mechanisms. Modern awning windows are built with multi-point locking systems that secure the sash tightly against the frame when closed. This tight compression seal not only improves energy efficiency but also enhances security. When locked, the window is firmly pressed into place, making it difficult to pry open from the outside. For Washington homeowners, this combination of solid hardware and durable construction provides year-round peace of mind. Durable frame materials. Awning windows are commonly constructed from vinyl or fiberglass, both of which are strong, low-maintenance materials. Vinyl frames resist moisture damage and won't warp over time. Fiberglass offers added structural strength and stability during temperature fluctuations. These durable materials contribute to both comfort and long-term security, ensuring your windows remain reliable for years. Energy efficiency adds comfort. Comfort isn't just about fresh air, it's also about maintaining consistent indoor temperatures. Modern awning windows feature double-pane glass, insulating gas fills, and low-E coatings. These energy-efficient features help reduce heat transfer, keeping your home cooler during warm months and warmer during cold spells. Because awning windows seal tightly when closed, they minimize drafts and air leaks, improving overall indoor comfort. Ideal for hard-to-reach areas, awning windows are often installed in higher wall spaces, above sinks, or in bathrooms and basements. Their crank-operated design makes them easy to open and close, even in tight spaces. Placing awning windows higher on the wall enhances privacy while still allowing natural light and airflow. For Washington homeowners who value both discretion and ventilation, this placement offers added convenience and security. Added protection with impact-resistant glass. For homeowners seeking extra protection, awning windows can be upgraded with impact-resistant or laminated glass. This type of glass is designed to stay intact even if cracked, adding another layer of defense against forced entry or severe weather. A balanced solution for Washington homes. Awning windows provide an ideal blend of comfort, ventilation, and security. Their unique design allows you to enjoy fresh air during Washington's milder days while maintaining a secure home environment. With tight seals, durable materials, and modern locking systems, awning windows enhance daily living without compromise. If you're looking for a window upgrade that delivers airflow, energy efficiency, and peace of mind, awning windows are a practical and stylish solution for your Washington home.